Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy, and today's quick tip is in Adobe After Effects CC 2020. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get a jittery effect using the Turbulent Displace Effect. The composition settings that I used was 1920 by 1080 pixels, 24 frames per second, and a 5-second duration. I added this purple construction paper background and then a text layer. On the text layer, I added a stroke and a drop shadow by going to Layer, Layer Styles. I added a drop shadow and a stroke. The font that I use is called Londrina Solid, and you can get it on Adobe Fonts. And now we will add the Turbulent Displace filter. One way to add the effect is to click on the layer, go to the Effect in the menu, go to Distort, then click on Turbulent Displace, or come over here to the Effects and Presets panel. In the search bar, just start typing in Turbulent, then you will see the Turbulent Displace under that Distort. Just click on it and drag it right onto the text layer. First, I'm going to change the amount. I'm just going to click in the number there where it says 50, and I'm going to change this to 8. Then for size, I'm going to change it from 100. I'm going to enter 12. Then I'm going to scroll down Evolution Options, and what we're looking for is Random Seed. But what we're going to do is add an expression. I'm going to hold the Option key or Alt on Windows and just click on the stopwatch next to Random Seed. You can make the text jitter with this simple expression. Just type in time, asterisk, or Shift 8, and just enter in a number. I'll start with 10. I'm just going to click off, hit the spacebar, and you'll see you now have jittery text. If I click on the expression again, I'll go from 10 to 100. I'm going to click off, hit the spacebar, and you'll see now it's moving faster. You can leave it just like this, but I'm going to add one more line to this expression to change the frame rate and give it more of a stop motion effect. So I'm just going to click in the expression with my cursor at the beginning. I'm going to hit enter or return as I want to enter this above the time expression. I'm going to enter in posterizeTime. So start with the lowercase p. We'll just spell out posterize. You'll see it populate. Just hit enter or return. And I'm going to enter in 6. The posterizeTime expression is changing the frame rate of the effect only, so in this case to 6. I'm going to add a semicolon at the end. I'll hit the spacebar to preview, and now I've got this cool stop motion jittery effect. And that is how you can make things jitter using the Turbulent Displace Effect in Adobe After Effects CC 2020. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.